Welcome to the Yuyangs, a regional park located in the town of Lara. The park and the many surrounding areas showcase a diverse range of native fauna and flora. Hello and welcome. I'm Jaylen, and in tonight's show I'll be sharing a handful of native species our camera crew managed to capture on video. Our trip has begun, and it's not long before we spot our first animal, the brown goshawk. A medium-sized bird of prey with a body length of up to 55 centimeters. They are commonly found in woodlands, but also farmlands and urban areas. This one is currently circling above the road in search for something to eat. Brown goshawks prey on basically anything smaller than it, making their diet quite fast. Next, and not far from the brown goshawk, we came across a mob of eastern grey kangaroos. They are the second largest living marsupial on the planet, following behind the red kangaroo. Males can weigh up to 66 kilograms, and their tails reaching up to 1 meter in length. This mob quite simply is enjoying the morning sun. That one over there is on guard duty. He is keeping an eye out for danger. Let's move on. We have reached the Yuyangs Park, and we have come across this common white flower. This is an Austral tobacco plant. It is a native tobacco that grows on rocky terrain and in well-drained and gritty soils. The herb can grow up to 1.5 meters tall. Austral tobacco flowers during summer and autumn, and this plant is actually illegal to grow commercially. Not far from the Austral tobacco is a group of red ironbark trees. The timber from these trees are becoming increasingly popular in the furniture and flooring industries. Red ironbark requires full sun and well-drained soils to grow, and they can grow up to 30 meters tall. They produce red flowers in the summer. Speaking of flowers, here we have a flock of rainbow lorikeets. They are enjoying a feed of nectar. Rainbow lorikeets are small parrots that are native to the eastern states of Australia. They are only 25 centimeters tall. They have brightly coloured feathers, hence their name of rainbow lorikeet. This bird species has been introduced to other places around the world, including Western Australia, Tasmania, New Zealand, and even Hong Kong. Our final species of plant in tonight's episode is the black wattle. This tree grows up to 15 meters in height, and they require full sun and moist soils to grow. Their leaves are described as fern-like or feathery and have a dark green colour. Black wattle flowers around about November and produces yellow ball-like flowers. This tree is native to open forests in southeast Australia, however has been introduced to countries all over the world for forestry. This includes North America, New Zealand, Europe, and South Africa. However, now black wattle is considered to be one of the most worst invasive species on the planet. That concludes tonight's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe learnt something. My name's Jaylen, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.